Jai Shri Gurudev. Good morning, children. Hope you are all fine and safe. Children, we have successfully completed the first monthly test. Hope you have all written well. Now, let us move on to the next lesson in the prose. That is, There's a Girl by the Tracks. Children, can you observe the picture here? Yes. Here is a girl beside the tracks. This is a railway track and a girl you can see fallen down near the tracks. The author of this lesson is Devin Kannal. Children, here this is a true story which was occurred long back in Mumbai. Children, now it is called as Mumbai, but the earlier name for this city was Bombay. So, how did we get the name Mumbai? The old name of Mumbai was Bombay, and these people who are staying here used to worship the goddess Mumba Devi. So, like that, gradually Mumbai Devi, Mumbai, like that, the words used to gradually shorten, and finally we got the name Mumbai. So Bombay to Mumbai. This was a real incident which took place long back, and that is the story we are reading today. Now let us move on to the story, children. Please keep your PDF format of the textbook and follow me as I go through this. As the Mumbai suburban electric train made its 22nd 6:32 p.m. halt at a station, commuters swarmed out and into its 12 packed coaches. It's a regular scene in and around India's most populated metropolis. Children, so this is the crowd picture you are seeing, the Mumbai suburban electric train. It is the local, suburban is nothing but the local train, like a metro train, where it stops only for few seconds in all the stations. So exactly here, suburban is an area where it is away from Mumbai. So it is outskirts of the city. So it halts here for 20 seconds. That is exactly at that time it was 6:32 evening. Commuters swarmed out. Commuters here, the passengers who travel in the train. Swarmed out, rushed in a group and into its 12 packed coaches. So how many coaches we had in this train? 12 coaches. It's a regular scene in and around India's most populated metropolis. Children, have you traveled in metro train? Yes, we have in Bangalore also. Bangalore, Kolkata, Mumbai and Delhi are the four metropolitan cities where most of the people used to travel in metro trains. So the everyday passengers, the people who go for work used to go in this train as their daily routine. They used to carry everything in the train, like breakfast, lunch, everything. So they will use these metro trains for their daily work. So here also in Mumbai, this train halts in that station especially for 20 seconds. So at that time, the the passengers rushed in groups out from the 12 coached train. So even Mumbai is the most populated metropolis city. So the people are more, the population here in the city is more. Having just managed to squeeze herself into a ladies' compartment, 21-year-old call center executive Roma Tareja tried to settle into a corner near the door. What happened here? Having just managed to squeeze herself. So a girl named Roma Tareja. Children, she was 21-year-old and she squeezed herself. She managed to enter inside the train compartment, ladies' compartment, as she was a call center executive. So she was working as a executive in call center. She was 21 years old and she tried to squeeze herself and managed to get inside the train, and she wanted to settle in the corner of the train near the door. Anyhow, she went herself squeezing inside the train. The train hurtled ahead and Roma, jammed between other women, was trying to find some space to stand safely on when she suddenly got pushed, lost her tenuous foothold and panicked. What happened, children? She was inside the train near the door, but she was, as the train hurtled, as the train started moving, she was jammed. She was in between the other women and was trying to find out some safety place. But suddenly what happened? She was pushed. She lost her tenuous, she lost her strength. She couldn't stand there and she was panicked. Means she was just pushed out. Her hands reached for the steel railing above, but finding only air, Roma was thrown out of the coach. The clattering roar of the train muffled the thud of her fall onto the ground more than a meter below. She was knocked senseless. What happened, children? This is a real tragic story. The place inside the train was congested. So when she got inside the train, she was pushed out of the train. As if she fell down from the train, she was searching for something to hold the steel rails which we will be having in the train. She couldn't find that. So all of a sudden she was panicked. She was pushed out of the train and she was roared. She was clattering roar of the train muffled the thud of her fall onto the ground more than a meter below. The height of the place where she fell down was more than over a meter. She was knocked senseless, means she got hurt and she was in somewhat unconscious stage. She was not knowing what to do. She fell, but whatever, the train was moving. She fell down. With the roar of the clattering of the train sound, nobody could hear the thud of her fall. She fell down unconsciously. She couldn't even catch the steel railing above which was there inside the train. She was pushed out from the other people. Standing near the door of another train, speeding in the opposite direction, 20-year-old Baleshwar Mishra couldn't believe what he had just seen. A young woman in a black salwar kameez lying next to the tracks. So she was fallen on the platform of the tracks. So what happened? In the next track, one more train was moving. So a boy who was standing in the opposite train, he saw, who was he? He was 20-year-old Baleshwar Mishra. He couldn't believe what he had just seen. He saw this girl, this young woman who was in black salwar kameez, lying next to the tracks. He was shocked. The opposite train which was moving in another track, that boy Baleshwar Mishra who was standing, who was in that train, saw from the opposite train this woman who was lying over on the tracks with black salwar kameez. Meanwhile, gasps and screams emanated from his compartment. "There's a girl by the tracks!" The voices cried out. Impulsively, Baleshwar went and grabbed the train's red emergency chain and pulled it down frantically. Children, all the people are seeing there, but nobody went to help her. Everybody was screaming, shouting from this compartment, but they are shouting like, "There's a girl by the tracks, there's a girl by the tracks." The voices raised, but nobody went forward to help her. Finally, Baleshwar went and grabbed the train's red emergency chain. Have you seen, children? In the train, we'll be having an emergency red color chain. If we pull that, the train stops immediately. But if it is an emergency. So Baleshwar, what he did? He pulled the chain, and it takes some time to stand. So trains cannot put a brake immediately and can stop. But it needs some few seconds to stop completely. So what happened? Baleshwar, as soon as he saw this girl, he went and pulled out the chain, and immediately the train slowed down. The train screeched, slowing down. He then surveyed the compartment full of weary faces. Let's go and help her, he shouted, but nobody volunteered, afraid of getting involved or being inconvenienced, perhaps. Children, as soon as he pulled the chain, the train screeched. It means it finally, with a big sound, it was slowing down. He then called all the people. He saw them. They were all tired somewhat. They doesn't want to help this girl. Come on, let us go to help her. But nobody volunteered. Nobody come forward to help that girl. Or because whenever if we see any accident, if we go and help them, we'll be involved in some cases. We have to attend the police court, everything, is it not? So the people are all afraid of these things. They doesn't want to involve in all these things because they have their own works. So they are not ready to help her. Children, this was the thing which took place in this session. Let us see what happens next. Did Baleshwar reach the girl? Did he help her? So we'll see all these things in the next session. Thank you, children. Jai Shri Gurudev. Go through the text, and if you get any doubts, please free to call me. Thank you.